konsentrere meg litt, Oliver.
Pappa en øl da.
Vær så god, øl.
Nei, øl. Kan jeg få en øl, takk?
Det har jeg øl.
Oliver.
Ligger i kjøleskapet.
Oliver.
Han var i sin egen verden.
Ja, ja.
Det var ikke så mye skinke.
Det var veldig godt. Skål, blåbær!
Blåbær, er de gode?
Ja, de er
Få
gode.
smake.
Nei, brille! Brille, mann. Det er flere.
Welcome to another video. We have set up the NorTent Koie 7. This is kind of a two labo in one with a walk-through, maybe without the tarp as well. This video has been also sponsored by Kilos Gear that had handed us this chair. It's a very comfortable chair. You have also a adjustable accessory here that you can take off. Very good so far. You can have your cups and everything here, and you also have the more light variant, that is this one. You can also put actually the accessory here, and you have like a little extra for putting your stuff. And the camping rack is also new. As you can see, it's more better than the other one that I had before. It's super easy to set up, and you can put like your dishware and your stuff there, so it's ready for the next time you are going to make a dinner. Honey, you should really try this. I really like this chair. Good? Comfortable?
Ja, veldig.
Happy wife, happy life. boy.
Ha det! Til. Morgen. Som mamma.
Må du padle det? Rundt andre veien, takke. Så len deg litt tilbake på setet, Oliver. Sånn, ja. Men du sitter godt. Du kan padle lenger ut.
Men jeg er litt skummel. Det er litt skummel.
Skal jeg hente den andre?
Jeg tror vi må tømme den der uansett. Jeg skulle ha cola. Har stivnet. Den blåbærgreia har stivnet oppi her.
Men det er ikke farlig.
Hvor er kniven?
Kan jeg ta den gaffelen der?
Kjøttet er gris.
Er den for varm til å ta opp nå?
Ja.
Skal du ha en bit også, Oliver?
Skal du få jobb her i huset, må du skrive under kontrakt med Jubaba.
Se!
Prøv ikke å dra ned alt sånn her. Ja, nei, det var feil. Ja.
Gå! cozy.
På det. Hun sa noe like en som de andre, at det ikke hadde vært kristne Halvor både det ene og det andre. Og så spurte han om de aldri hadde hatt noe barn.
Har du vært varm i natt?
Ja.
Jeg har ikke svarte. Jeg har det. Du velger nå. Hør nå.
Det var varmt.
Pretty comfortable, these chairs, especially in the morning. Eating my coffee, my caviar. This is caviar. This is a very normal. It's pretty different from the caviar, but you know the balls, the eggs. But this is very typical to get here in Norway, and it's not expensive at all. And it looks like this. Good. Kilos Gear's camping rack and chair, been very good. If you want a discount, look at the description below. You can get them discount from the web store. They have a lot of things to choose. I really like this. The one that is a bit bigger. The chair and the camping rack's been perfect to keep things organized, and of course the food stand as well. Really recommend Kilos Gear. All right, so I'm just preparing the tent for next trip. The good thing is that you can actually stand inside the tent, up to 3 or 4 persons. I removed one of the inner tents because I think the next time I will head out with this might be alone. The Koie 7 and yeah, just relaxing in the Kilos chair. This one pretty good. So I hope you like this video, guys, and remember to subscribe if you haven't, and see you next week. Again, if you want this chair or one of the camping racks, I think it's pretty good, pretty solid and lightweight as well. You can get it for discount on the description below. So have a nice day, guys, and see you next week.